guys, again welcome back to my channel Axaxity. Hope you all are good. So in today's video, I'm going to share you 5 IELTS speaking cue cards for your January month test for January 2021. So in this video, I will share you 5 cue cards. Definitely you will get these cue cards in your January month. About the remaining cue cards, I will update as soon as possible. So let's start out with a video. So the first cue card is describe an energetic person that you know. Okay, so you want to explain about the most energetic person you know. Your friend, family member, your relatives, your neighbor, anyone. So, who this person is, that means you want to explain who this person is and how you know this person. You want to explain the relation, your friend, family, neighbor, or how you met. Okay, so how you know that particular person and why you think this person is energetic, whether physically fit, mentally, or social person, and what's her or his routine. Okay, whether he's doing something for her physical fitness, daily exercise, or something like that. About the physical characteristics, you can explain. Then the characteristics of that particular person, that means socially how he is, or mentally how he is. Okay, then about her or his routine, dietary pattern, anything you can explain about, or any particular occasion which you felt that he is so energetic. Okay, then explain how you feel about this particular person, whether he is good motivation for you or role model for you, like that. You can explain how you felt about that particular person. Most probably it will be a positive vibe only, so you can explain how he or she motivated you. Okay, maybe because of him or her you are doing daily exercise, or you are taking care about your diet and all. Okay, you are having healthy diet. Okay, he will be a motivation for you. So like that you can explain everything about that particular person. So that's the first cue card. Then moving on to the second cue card, describe a family or a person which you like and are happy to know about. So maybe they will be asking about a family you are interested in, or any person, okay, whom you like to know more about or you are happy to know about. So first you want to start off with an introduction. So you can start the importance of family or the relationship, or you can say, I know many families that live in our neighborhood, or I know many families in my relatives or who are my relatives. So, but there is one family that I really enjoy spending time with, that's so and so. So you can directly talk about that particular family. Then what's your relation with that particular family, or how you know that particular family, whether your neighbor or your family or something like that. So you can talk about the relation. Then where they live, where they are living, whether neighbor or living far away from you, it's maybe a your long lost relatives or something like that. Means you can explain where they are living, and how you know them. Okay, how you know that particular person from your childhood onwards, you know that particular person, or due to whether you shifted to any particular place, or related to your job, you know that particular family or something like that. So how you know that particular family, and explain why you like them, what all are the special thing, or what all are the characteristics you like about that particular family. Maybe their lifestyle, their behavior, or their way of talking, or the mutual understanding between the couples, or how they are treating their children. Maybe they are strict and also they are friendly, or they will encourage their children to share, or whatever things with them, or like that. So what all things influenced you, or what all things you like about that particular family. Maybe you will get a positive vibe from all the family members, or you are comfortable while visiting their home, or you like to visit them, or you like to know about them. So you can explain. Okay, so it's better to give some examples from your real life, or it's better to give some examples. Then you can complete 2 minutes. Then moving on to the third cue card, describe a good decision you made recently. So, you want to talk about a good decision that may be related to your life, or related to your profession, Okay, so what it was? You want to talk what it was? That means what was that particular decision? Okay, so you can give an introduction like about the decision making capability or how you are, you whether your decisions was independent or it depend upon your parents or your siblings like that. You can give an introduction, then you can talk about what was that particular decision, whether it's related to your family or related to your profession, about the course, maybe about the university course which you took, like that. So you can talk about anything, maybe related to, you can connect that with this COVID pandemic and all, whether maybe you took a decision to avoid visiting shops and you started to buy things from online, or you started to wear mask or to use sanitizers in particular situation and all. Then after that you came to know that it was a good decision, maybe there were any positive cases where there like that, or you can connect with any life situation. So when you made it, you can describe about the situation or the occasion, what the result was, whether it come out with a positive result. Anyway, it will come out with a positive result. Then only we can set it as a good decision. So you can talk about that and explain how you felt about it, whether you are happy or not. Okay, most probably it will come out with a positive y, means definitely you will be happy about that particular decision. So you can talk about that. So you can explore your feelings. Okay, moving on to the next cue card. Describe a long car journey you went on. So it's a repeated question only. These all are repeated question only. These questions will definitely come out in January too. Okay. So describe a long car journey you went on. So you can talk about a long car journey you went on. So it's the importance is there to the car. Why you selected that particular transportation mode. Okay. So it's better to start or to give an introduction to express how much you love to travel or to express your interest in traveling, or else you can talk like whenever I want to travel for a long distance, I will generally go by bus or train or by air. That means I will depend on public transportation only. So I have not been on many long car journeys, and also here I'm going to talk about a long journey which I had by car, that was on last year or last month. You can talk about that. So where you went, so you want to talk about your destination and what you did at that place. That means the reason behind your traveling, whether you went there to visit your friends or family, or it was an official trip, means you can talk about that. So who you went there with your friends, colleagues, family, or anything. So explain why you went on that journey by car, why you didn't depend on any other transportation medium. So you can talk in detail, maybe for better traveling experience, for comfortable journey, or you want to stay there for more than 2 weeks. So you want to rent a car if you are not taking your own vehicle, means, or if you are traveling by any transport, public transport, means you want to rent a car to travel around. So if you are staying there, means, so you can talk in detail what's the reason behind that. So, moving on to the last cue card, describe a foreign country or the culture you want to know more about. Either they will be asking about any particular country or about any particular culture. So, you can talk about any foreign culture. Okay, so which country is it or what culture? So, what all things you know? It's better to talk about your dream country. You are writing your IELTS test and you have a destination or you have a dream country. So, it's better to talk about that particular country. Try to Google and collect some information about that particular country. Then you can talk about that. It's your dream country, so you have more things to talk about. So, it's better to do like that. Or where it is, whether it is a European country or it's a part of any continent, like that, and how you know about that particular place, whether you know it from your, maybe your friends or relatives was there already, so from them only you came to know about that particular country or the culture, or from the Google or from books you came to know that. So you can talk about that and why you want to know more about it. Maybe you like to migrate to that particular country, so you love to know about that, or from any particular book or from your schoolings or from your teachers and all, you heard about that particular country or culture, so you wish to know more about that. So you are planning for a trip. Okay, so you can talk about that particular country or culture in detail. So it's better to give an introduction about. I have always wanted to learn about the foreign countries, or I always love to know about foreign culture, or I like to meet so many people from different places, and I like to learn about their what all are the similarities and what all are the things we are different. So, like that, because you are so fascinated about that particular thing. Okay, it's like your hobby or something like that, means you can give an introduction like that and talk about that particular country or culture in detail. So that's all about the 5 cue cards. I think you're clear with that. So 100% I can assure that you will get these cue cards. These cue cards will be there in your January month. So about the remaining cue cards, I will update as soon as possible. So try to start your preparations. So if you want to get a notification regarding our new updates, try to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications. So try to select the all option too. So thank you so much, and I will be back with more IELTS related videos. Thank you so much.